In this video, we will see how to process paused invoices in Chorus Manager. Log in to the Chorus Manager. This is the default screen. In the Processed Invoices tab, invoices with various statuses are displayed. A Chorus Manager user uploads an invoice to the Chorus Pro website. Here, the invoice is validated. If the invoice is valid, the status is changed to completed. If the invoice is invalid and requires some changes, the status is changed to paused. This invoice is then sent back to the Chorus Manager with paused status. This entire process can be tracked using Chorus Manager. Let's take an example. Select an invoice with paused status and click Add Attachments button. Browse and add the files you want to attach with the invoice. You can also attach multiple files to the invoice. You can see that the invoice status changes from paused to completed. This is how you can manage invoices with paused status in Chorus Manager. Thank you.